Hi, this is John Cannon. I'm here with another seminar from SymplySeminars.com. This one on the characteristics of Bitcoin, or what makes a Bitcoin a Bitcoin. We do not offer investment advice, or we're not financial planners, so if you don't understand cryptocurrencies and don't have capital to risk, don't get involved. We have a number of services that we offer through our company. SymplySeminars is the educational arm where we offer training on cryptocurrencies and blockchain-related technologies. We have a mining service through SymplyDataCenters.com where we help anyone who wants to get involved with cryptocurrency mining. We do the engineering work for you and you get the money. And we also have a consulting and research service. So the characteristics of Bitcoin, I'll go through these and explain them and what makes a Bitcoin unique. Number one is it's decentralized. So it is run and managed by a network of thousands of computers all over the world. There is no government controlling Bitcoin. There is no central bank. So these computers that record the transactions are in charge of the entire network. If one goes down or one is taken offline, all the others pick up the work for the other and it continues. It's very easy to set up an account. You just download a software wallet, put it on your phone or on your computer or whatever you want, and you have an account. No paperwork is required, no proof of citizenship or anything like that. No approval from anyone is required. The transactions are pseudonymous but completely transparent. So these are a little bit conflicting. Pseudonymous means we don't have your name. The general ledger does not have your name in any of the transactions. It's just your address. So think of a bank routing number and account number all rolled into one address. That's what's in the transactions as well as the amount of Bitcoin that's being transferred. And all of these transactions are available to anyone, anywhere to read. It's fast. You can send money anywhere in a matter of minutes. The moment a block is validated, then you have the funds available. You don't have to wait for ACH transfers in the middle of the night or banks holding your check for 10 days to make sure that it clears. It is also non-repudiable. There is no undo. So once a transaction goes through, it's done. It's final. There are no disputes. There are no 800 numbers to call to say, hey, I didn't really do that. This is a wonderful feature for merchants. So once you get paid, you're paid. There is no Visa who will call back and say, hey, your customer is disputing that transaction. A Bitcoin is also divisible. Many people when they first get involved think they have to buy an entire Bitcoin, and you don't. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin. You can acquire them, you can trade them, you can send fractions to anyone. The smallest unit, a Satoshi, is 1/100th of a 1/100 millionth of a Bitcoin. And kind of an interesting little sideline, should Bitcoin hit the value of $1 million per Bitcoin, the Satoshi would be worth 1 cent. It's global. Bitcoin is available anywhere there's internet access, period. And it is not controlled by any government. Again, no government control, no central bank control. And finally, it's limited. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin in circulation, currently at about 17 million. And the last Bitcoin will be mined in the year 2140. That means it's deflationary by design. As more money comes into the Bitcoin economy, the value of each individual Bitcoin compared to other currencies will increase. Bitcoin can be duplicated or create more of through a fork. A fork is when you take the core element, like Bitcoin, and copy the software and change the rules, like Bitcoin Cash. The good news when that happens, when a fork occurs, anyone who owns one Bitcoin and then the code is forked will also own one of the new coin. We'd love to hear more from you and continue the conversation. If you're interested in our mining services, please visit SymplyDataCenters.com. And if you'd like to learn more about cryptocurrencies, please go to SymplySeminars.com and check out some of our other presentations.